their first time eating hard puppy food. And they are loving it. And Fatso over here is staring at the rock in the water. I have it in there to hold it down so they don't knock it over. And he keeps sticking his foot in and pulling it out like, what the hell is this stuff? Hi, Fatso. Hi, Fatso. Hi, Fatso. Hi, puppy. Up here. Up here. Hi. Fatso. 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 Hey. You gotta get in there. They're eating all the food. He likes the water. Actually, I don't think you're the fattest one anymore, Fatso. Princess Leia's catching up to you pretty quick. And there's Missy. She is a handful already. She is crazy. She thinks everything's fighting with her. The one right next to her is Princess Leia. And then there's Tank is one of the white ones, and Angel's the other white one. And the two in the back that are eating, there's Baby and what did I name her? Bella. And they are having a blast, as you can see. They like destroying things already. And they are 4 weeks and 2 days old. Hi, Fatso. Hi, Fatso. Hi, Fatso. He's a cutie. Fatso. Hey, up here, silly. I'm up here.